What's up everyone, iAppleTuber here, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to get this amazing multi-emulator. So if you do not know about this, there is an app which is a multi-emulator which allows you to play PSP, NDS for iOS, and a lot more emulators on your iOS devices. So it's very cool. I just want to give credit to Apple Tech Video for sharing this link with me. So I'll leave his channel link in the description for you guys to check out. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is go to the description, click on the first link, and please make sure to open this in Safari and nowhere else. So let's go into our Safari. This is the link that will direct you all into it. So as you can see, the name of the installer is EMUS for you, and once you're here, it's pretty easy. Let me just go ahead and zoom for you all. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is just click on install onto your device. So this yellow bar, so click on it. Once you click on it, now it'll ask you to allow it into the settings. So you want to click on allow. Once you do, as you can see, it is verified as well. So click on install, then enter your passcode, your device passcode. Let me go ahead and do this. Once you do that, it's pretty simple. Once again, you just want to click on install right here, click on install, and then you want to click on done. Then you're here, you just want to even go ahead and close it or just back out of it, simple as. So as you can see, the app is now on our device. So let's go ahead and click on it. It will not ask you to be verified, it's already verified before. So as you can see, here it is. So what you want to do is go to the app section. Once you go to the app section right here, here's the app that I want to show you guys, Happy Chick. But the question is, can you use the other apps? Yes, so you can use NDS for iOS, iNDS, PPSPS, Delta, Provenance, and GBA for iOS. But some of them do not work on iOS 12. So I recommend you guys to use Happy Chick. It's easier, it's much more trustable as well. So click on get, click on install, back out of this. Pretty simple as this. As you can see now, it's gonna start installing. So you just wanna give it a few moments, maybe like 1 minute or less based on your internet speed. So let's just give this a moment to finish loading and installing on our devices. So there you go, as you can see, it has finished installing. But when you want to click on it now, it will ask you to go ahead and verify it. So it's pretty simple. Go back to your settings. Let me just back out of this to show you guys. Scroll down, go to general, scroll down, go to profile and device management. Find the profile, which is this one. Click on trust. And now this means that it's verified and you can be able to open the app, which is an important process that you must do to open the app. So now let's go ahead and open the app. As you can see, here it is. So it's just a disclaimer that it wants to allow you to know you have to click on agree for it to proceed. Once you click on agree, it's all good to go, and now the emulator is gonna load up. So there's some ads here and there. You just want to click on skip on up there, or it was going to skip itself. Alright, so there's been also a miscommunication in this part as well, where the app now asks you to allow it to access your location if you want so. In my opinion, and I also recommend you to click on don't allow. If you click on don't allow, the app will work just as fine. So you do not need to click on allow. If you want to, you can click on allow. That's based on your choice. It's your phone, your choice. But for my device, I'm going to click on don't allow. That's it, done. Simple as. The app will work. There's not going to be any issues at all. So as you can see, here's the app. So they have the categories. They have the My Games, Community, and Me. So My Games are going to be the games where you download and then you can be able to open the games within the emulator. Let's just scroll down and find some of the good games that you guys may like Super Mario World. That's a game which everyone likes. So let me show you all how to get the game as well. So click on get. Once you do that, it's just gonna load up. So just give it a few moments. Sign up, just click on skip. I'm not looking to sign up anywhere. Then there's gonna be a loading page where you guys wanna give it a few moments as well. There you go, done. Click on download. Once you click on download, it's gonna start downloading. So let's give it a few moments as well. And now it should be in the My Games section. Go to the My Games section, click on Not Now, and there you go. It has finished installing as well. It was very quick. So click on Play, and so click on Single Game, and there you go. Here's the emulator. So Nintendo Presents. Let's click on Skip for all this. One player game, and here it is, guys. Simple as. You get this game, Super Mario. Just give it a few moments, and you may be able to start it from now onwards. Let me just go ahead and reduce the volume. There you go. As you can see, here it is. It's just going to take me through every tutorial that it needs to, but as you can see, the game is working. Everything's fine. There you go. I'm just going to back out. You guys can all go ahead and play any games that you like on your device. So yeah, that was it with today's video on how to get all these old games to play on your device within an emulator, which was Happy Chick. Pretty simple video, very easy. Once you get the app, you're all good to go. You can download each and every game that you want to play and enjoy it on your device, which is very fun. So yeah, that was it with today's video. I hope that everyone enjoyed it. See you on the next video. iAppleTuber here, signing off.